Hi,
What's your name?
Joe Jozwiak.
Hi, Joe. How did you find us here at Unity Spiritual Center of Woodstock?
Actually, my wife was looking for a new church. She told me that we were going to try this new place. She said, let's go over there and find out what it's all about. I've read some things online about it. I have a friend that goes there. So I said, okay, I'll come with you. We came and she said, my friend told me we got to come here. If we do go, we've got to at least go 6 times before we make a decision if that's going to be our place to stay. And so we did. We came here, and really after just one time, I decided this was going to be the place.
And are you involved here at Unity?
That's funny. I used to go to a big Catholic church. I was involved a little bit there. I was an usher. It was a big church and they had a big AV team, and they used to have the big screens in the front, and whenever the music would play, they would put the words up there, and I would always say to my wife, why can't they get the words to go along with the songs, And she'd always say, Joe, why don't you just volunteer and go work up there? And I never did. And when I came here, it's a smaller community. They had a little AV team here, and during COVID, they decided to start putting stuff out online. They needed someone to run the cameras, so I started getting involved in that, and then I was doing that I've been doing that since I came here. I got involved on the board, and I was on the board of directors, and now I'm the president of the board. So yeah, I guess I've gotten involved here pretty much.
And what do you like about Unity? What's some of your favorite things?
Well, this particular place, I love the community. Like I said, it's smaller, but what I like about that also, though, is that I know everybody here. I know every person. I can tell you everybody's name. We tend to spend a lot of time here for some reason. I used to go to church and want to go home right afterwards. To here, we just sit around and afterwards go to fellowship and talk, and I'm pretty much friends with most of the people here, so I guess I've made a lot of good friendships, and that's probably the number one thing, really.
Well, thank you for taking the time to share.
Thank you.